Hi, good day. This is Jet Elnar. Today I'm going to share with you the fourth seed to plant this year, and that is you can start stocks investing through COL Financial. Let me walk you through how you can start stocks investing using COL Financial. Now, this is the landing page of COL, and since it's your first time, what we will do, we will have a demo how you can start by creating a new tab, and then you type the URL www.colfinancial.com. Then you click enter, then you have the landing page. Now it's your first time, so you don't have the user ID and you don't have your password. So what we can do is we create an account. So we have two choices. We open an account, or we have the blue button down below, open an account. Just click it and you will have this page. Now the first step is you choose your account type. You have three choices: COL Starter, COL Plus, and COL Premium. Now in my case, I started with a 5,000, so it's a COL Starter. Now after choosing your account type, you go to step 2, fill out your application form. Now, download and print out the application form. Where to download? At this blue link, you can just click it and you have this form. You can print it out and fill it up. Go back to the page where we are before. Then we have step number 3. Prepare additional requirements. So if you are a Filipino citizen, we have a photocopy of one valid government-issued ID. So this is quite self-explanatory and you may just read further instructions. Step number 4, submit forms and requirements. You may personally submit originally signed forms and clear ID documents to COL Financial or through iRemit branches, or you may also send the originally signed forms to COL Financial's Business Center. So here's the address and the phone number. Additional instruction: use standard letter envelopes. Do not use packaging, brown, or manila envelopes. Now once they receive your form, a sales officer will review your application and schedule a video conference call for information verification. Then you will receive an email of your user ID and password, and an instruction that you can now fund your account. So you have two choices: online bills payment or over-the-counter bills payment. So again, you can just choose from 4 banks: BPI, BDO, Metrobank, and Asia United Bank. Now you may just click the blue links for further instructions. Once you're done, we are now ready to go to the account that you have. So we have the COL Financial, and then you have to type your user ID and password and log in. So let's check where we can log in. Let's look for it. Okay, I think here. So we have to delete some of the tabs here because it's just a repetition of the other tabs. And you are now in your account. So here in this case, we are in my demo account. Now it's in the home page, and in the home page, this is what you will see. Now since again it's your first time, the market is open here. It will close at 12 o'clock noon time. Now since you don't have a share of stocks yet, you may now have to type the stock code, get a quote, and instruct that you are going to buy shares of stocks. But if you are still a newbie and you don't know what to buy, you go to trade, research, go to fundamentals, and then go to investment guide. There you can find the stocks code. So this is the stocks code, the blue ones, and these are the company names and what is the type of business: banks and financial, commercial and industrial, conglomerates. Then we have the consumer, the gaming, the mining, the power, the property, telecoms. So in that case, there is a suggestion of either buying, holding, or selling the share. So our intention for today is to buy stocks. So what's the suggestion of COL Financial? So if you want to buy Metropolitan Bank, the instruction is we have to buy below 104 pesos. And since the price is 101.40 cents, we can still buy the stocks. So which means the stocks code is MBT. So we now go back to our home. Just click the home. Go to stock code, and that is MBT. Then click the quote. You will see the price that it's 106.60 cents. Then your intention is to buy, so you click the buy. So we have the buy page, and you just indicate the number of shares. So supposing you want only to buy 10 shares, and the price is 106. So let me see. 106.60. So the computation is 10,691.45 cents. Now in this example, we cannot buy since the actual balance, cash balance is 785.20, or the available balance is 785.20. So it's not possible for us to buy 100 shares. So here in this case, we can change it to, let's say, 50, or so it will cost you 5,353. Now since you only funded 5,000, you can again change it to 45. So it's just about 4,820.12. So I think this is enough. And then you just have the preview order. Now in this case, let me tell you that COL will give us a feedback. Invalid board lot size. Number of shares must be multiples of 10. So you will always look for the feedback of COL for you to be able to successfully transact. Now, if you want to change it, you just have to clear. Okay? Now, once everything is done here and the actual balance is enough, then you just have preview the order, and then there will appear a button, buy button. So that's it. You are able to buy shares of stocks. Now, we then go to research and try to look at further stocks codes. So this is where you're going to check, and this stocks code is, we go back, investment guide. So this is as of December 29 of 2017. So you just have to check the updated every now and then. Now to know the portfolio, you have trade. Go to your portfolio, click it, and it will show you how much actual balance you have, how much buying power you have, and what is the stocks code that you were able to buy a while ago. So in this demo, we were able to have the Philinvestland Incorporated with a total share of 1,000, with a market value of 1.86, and this is where you can also monitor the gain or the loss. Now, if it's a red, it's a loss, and if it's a green, it's a gain. So here in the day change, it's actually a gain of 19 pesos and 88 cents. So this will help you too in your decision whether to sell your shares or not. But we have to remember that our intention is long-term investment. So we don't right away sell our shares. So that's it. You have your account. You have your portfolio. You were able to buy stocks. And after doing so, we will have to log off. So to protect your account, nobody will see it further, and that they will not see your equity value. So we have to log it off. And suggestion, do not go to the internet cafe and do the transaction. It's best that you use your personal laptop or you use your personal cell phone. So actually you can transact it through your cell phone if it has an internet connection. So we now log this off, and you have successfully logged off. Then back to the landing page. So hopefully this year, you will be able to start investing, and at the same time, you can now try to save. If you have 5,000 in a month, that's 60,000 in a year. So if it's quarterly, that's 4 quarters times 5,000, you will have 20,000 a year. So it depends upon the available funds that you have. But we suggest make it consistent and make it monthly if possible. Now, if you want to be guided further on how to invest in the stocks market, then you may join the Truly Rich Club. So let me show you. This is what the Truly Rich Club will give you. So according to the COL Financial Investment Guide, it was up to December 29, 2017. But Truly Rich Club will give you the daily SAM table, Strategic Averaging Method table. So here's the stocks code 246810. So these are the top 10 companies in the country, the current price, the buy below price, and this is the target price. So this is when you reach the target price that you are going to sell your shares. If not, then you may just stay it that way. So what action to take? So you will be receiving this daily. Now to join TRC, you may just click this link, http://bit.ly/TRCway to be you. So hopefully this year, you will be able to start investing in stocks and plant your fourth seed. And of course, 10 years, 20 years from now, you will be able to reap the harvest. God bless. Once again, this is Jet Elnar. Thank you.